Okay, so in the previous video we have discussed about the biochemistry and the carbohydrates. So today we are going through the types of carbohydrates. Alright, so first type is monosaccharides. Let me write here, that is monosaccharides. Okay, so now what is monosaccharide? As simply the definition defines mono means one and saccharide means sugar. So we can say that they are called the simple sugars. Like these are called simple integer sugars. Okay, so now means here in the monosaccharide these cannot be further, we can say, further simplified on the hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is the process in which that can break down. So these cannot be further break down. Cannot be further simplified. Simplified. Okay, and talking about these may contain 3 to 10 carbon atoms. Carbon atoms, and these can be subdivided into the trios. We can say tetrasis and pentosis, etc. Okay, depending on the carbon number, we can say subdivided. Now here we example is we can say glucose. Glucose, not example, in the glucose we have the grape sugar. Okay, grape sugar is in the glucose, so here it belongs to the aldose. As I previously told, aldose and ketose in the carbohydrates, and another fructose. In the fructose we have honey. This belongs to the ketones. Okay, so let's do one, we can say C6. Here we have the glucose C6H12O6. When we will add water with this, so here we will be having on the hydrolysis. It has no reaction. Why? Because these monosaccharides cannot be further divided and on the process of hydrolysis. Okay, so now moving towards another. Okay, let me tell you one more important thing. Like these are the crystalline, solid, sweet in taste, and soluble. Okay, now another second type we have, that is oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides. So what you are thinking? What will be happen in this? So as the oligo means few. Okay, and saccharides means sugar. So in oligosaccharides, these carbohydrates produce 2 to 10 monosaccharides. Because there are the few sugar, there was only the one sugar, so these carbohydrates contain, we can say, 2 to 10 monosaccharides. Monosaccharides on hydrolysis. Okay, the monosaccharide which contain, like no, and the oligosaccharide which contain two monosaccharide in oligosaccharides which are called, you can say, let me explain you. In the oligosaccharides, like in the oligosaccharide, we have 2 to 10 monosaccharides, right? So in the oligosaccharide, which contain 2 monosaccharides, only 2 monosaccharides, so they are not a disaccharide. Disaccharides, which contain 3 that are tetra, which contain 4 that are 3 that are tri, 4 tetra, like this. Yes, it will happen. Okay, so let me tell you in the oligosaccharides. And oligosaccharides, as I told you that we have the 2 to 10 monosaccharides. So how they are connected with each other? They are connected with monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are connected with glycosidic bond, or you can say linkage. Okay, so now let's do one. Yes, experiment. Here we have, like here we have 2 to 10 monosaccharides. So as we have C12, sorry, C12, like C12, H22, O11, this is the formula of sucrose. I know sucrose is break down into the glucose and fructose, okay? So when we add water H2O on the hydrolysis, hydrolysis, the sucrose will break down into the glucose and fructose. So the formula of glucose is C6H12O and C6H12O6, and we have fructose, we have plus H12O C6H12O5. Okay, fructose, sucrose. Hopefully you got this. Now moving towards the third type, that is polysaccharides. Okay. Okay, so here we have the polysaccharides. Third type. Let me tell you at the word defined polysaccharides. Poly means many, saccharides means sugar. Okay, so in this we can say that these carbohydrates produce more than 10 monosaccharides. Produce more than 10 monosaccharides. As here we have 2 to 10, so this will produce more than 10 monosaccharides on hydrolysis. Okay, so here you can see these are also known as polymeric hydrocarbons, also called polymeric carbohydrates. And let me tell you, these are also in taste monosaccharides are also attached with the, we can see, glyceric linkage. Okay, now let me tell you in which we have the cellulose and starch. So here we have C6H10O5. Here we have N. So this is basically the cellulose and starch. Cellulose and starch. Okay, and here if you add the water H2O. Okay, so what will happen here? Only the glucose will form. Glucose will form, that is C6H12O6. Here glucose will form. Glucose. Hopefully these three types of carbohydrates are clear to you. So after that we will discuss the sources and uses carbohydrates in the next video. Bye bye.